afternoon everyone. I am myself Dr. Renu Mittal, a practicing dental surgeon, and I am here to present a seminar on role of digital marketing in dental business. But before starting this seminar, I would like to thank Mr. Manmohan Singla and team of HIDM for giving me this opportunity to speak in front of you. So let's start with the seminar. Hope it's going to be an interactive session and will be helpful for all of you. So what is the outline of this presentation? What is digital marketing? What are the various platforms of digital marketing? We are going to discuss the role of digital marketing in dental business. We are going to discuss the case study of biggest dental chain in India and how we are going to create a roadmap for any business or for the marketing. What are the various content ideas for the digital marketing, and then the conclusion of this seminar. Now, what is digital marketing? As we all know, digital marketing or online marketing is the method where you promote your brand or your service or your business on the online platform by using the various internet services. We are nowadays on our phones, laptops and our tablets, and we are searching everything on Google. So when the people are searching on Google, our business should also be there on internet. So that is called the digital marketing. By using various search engines and various social media platforms, we are going to showcase our business and promotion of the business. Now, what are the various platforms of digital marketing? First and most important platform is the SEO, search engine optimization. We are searching everything on the various search engines like Google, Yahoo. So we will optimize that, and that is the biggest platform of the digital marketing. Then we are going to discuss the video marketing, then mobile marketing, ROI, then search engine marketing. Pay-per-clicks is the Google paid ads. Then the content marketing or blogging and the social media marketing. We are going to discuss all these things in future slides. Why is digital marketing important? Traditional marketing हमेशा से ही चलती आई है. In 2019 पहली बार ऐसा लगा कि लोगों ने जितना पैसा ट्रेडिशनल मार्केटिंग पे खर्च करते थे, उससे कहीं ज़्यादा उन्होंने डिजिटल मार्केटिंग पे खर्च किया. The world has 7.7 billion population, and out of that 4.4 billion people are on internet. जो लोग इंटरनेट पे नहीं हैं वो या तो बच्चे हैं या बुजुर्ग हैं जिन्हें इंटरनेट यूज नहीं करना आता. तो we can say everyone is on internet nowadays. And if we talk of shopping, तो बजाय स्टोर पे जाने के 30% ऑफ जो कंज्यूमर्स हैं वो अपने ब्रांड्स के साथ इंटरेक्ट कर रहे हैं with the help of social media. So in the world of competition, we have to take both the things in mind, traditional marketing as well as the digital marketing. जब सब अगर digital world में ही ढूंढ रहे हैं तो हमारा business, हमारा product भी online होना चाहिए. So this is the best time that we switch to digital marketing along with the traditional marketing. Here we are going to discuss about the digital marketing for the dental business or a dental surgeon. जब हम किसी भी business की marketing के लिए approach करते हैं, तो हमें उस business के बारे में कुछ पता होना चाहिए. Then only we can do the marketing of that business. So I am telling you about the dental business in short. It can be a one-chair practice where only a single dental surgeon is practicing in his or her premises. Secondly is the two-chair or multiple-chair practice where two or more dental surgeons are practicing. Another is like a dental department in a hospital. For example, a Gruha Medical College has got a dental department. But if the dentist is doing single-chair practice or two-chair practice, everybody needs patient, everybody needs promotion. जब हम किसी भी बिजनेस की प्रमोशन कर रहे हैं तो वी शुड नो कि वो बिजनेस आखिर डील किस चीज में करता है. एंड इफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द डेंटल बिजनेस, वी शुड नो व्हाट अ डेंटल सर्जन इज डूइंग. सो आई टेल यू इन ब्रीफ, थोड़ी सी डेंटल नॉलेज भी बढ़ जाएगी. इफ यू आर हैविंग अ प्रॉब्लम इन योर टूथ, आपके दांत में अगर कीड़ा लग गया है, देन डेंटिस्ट विल डू द फिलिंग ऑफ योर टूथ. उसमें बहुत सारी फिलिंग्स की टाइप्स होती हैं. देन अगर आपका दांत फिलिंग के लायक नहीं है तो उसके बाद हम एक एक्सरे करते हैं एंड वी डू द RCT, रूट कैनाल ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ द टूथ. अगर टूथ का कंडीशन रूट कैनाल से ठीक होने लायक है then we give a cap on that tooth or called crown. लेकिन अगर we can't save that tooth तो हमें वो निकालना पड़ता है, that is called the extraction of the tooth. और अगर आपका थर्ड मोलर है wisdom tooth जो कि दांतों में कहीं पीछे फंसा हुआ है, then we have to remove that surgically. That is called the impaction of tooth. जब हमने एक दांत निकाल दिया तो हमें वो रिप्लेस भी करना है. उसे रिप्लेस करते हैं with the help of fixed bridges. अगर किसी के सारे दांत नहीं हैं तो we give the fixed dentures. A new treatment nowadays is given called implants, where we put titanium screws in the jawbone and then give the denture. ये एक छोटा सा ओवरव्यू है. इसके अलावा डेंटल सर्जन्स बहुत कुछ करते हैं, बट व्हेन यू आर प्रमोटिंग अ डेंटल बिजनेस, एटलीस्ट इतना हमें पता होना चाहिए कि वो बिजनेस क्या काम करता है. इट इज रिलेटेड टू ईच एंड एवरी बिजनेस. नाउ व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ डिजिटल मार्केटिंग? Digital marketing is important for every business. If we talk about the doctors, if a person is in the field of medicine, hospital or pharma, they need digital marketing. Every doctor is nowadays taking help of a digital marketing agency to increase the footfall in the hospital, and same is the case with the dental business. So here we are going to see how digital marketing helps the dental clinics to reach new patients. So as we all sitting here are in the field of digital marketing, so we should let's see how we can grow the business of our client, who is in this case is a dental surgeon. We are going to see how it will help in landing new patients. How will you make the people aware of that brand? How you will increase the online reputation of your client. So by this digital marketing technique, we need more customers, we need more engagements, we need more interactions, we need more footfall to the clinic of our client. So our motto should be, we should work continuously along with the dental business. We should showcase the efforts of the dentist. And the most important thing is, here we should build a family and community, because it is a very noble profession. So we should build a community with the patient base and beyond. Our aim for our client should be the limitless success. We should generate new impressions and we should give better results. Analysis should be done every quarter and we should give better results, and that is the magic of dental marketing. You can make or break a practice of a doctor or any other business. So here we are going to discuss the roadmap for this particular business, so we can achieve great heights and success for our client as well as for ourselves. Here we are going to discuss the case studies. I am going to discuss the two case studies. One is the case study of the biggest dental chain in India, that is the Clove Dental, and another one of how I have implemented the digital marketing in my own clinic promotion. So firstly we will discuss the case study of the biggest dental chain in India, that is the Clove Dental. Clove Dental is today the largest dental chain in India. Clove Dental is today the largest dental chain in India. You might not be aware of this as it is not present in Hisar, but in metro cities, Clove Dental is present with the 285 plus fully equipped clinics, and more than 700 dental surgeons are working all over India in Clove Dental, and it is a star dental brand. But Clove Dental को यहाँ तक पहुँचने में बहुत टाइम लगा. It was not an overnight journey कि वो Clove Dental became the biggest chain. They have many problems. They have many you can say उनके सामने बहुत सारी मुश्किलें आई और बहुत सारा वक्त लगा. They find out a digital partner for them and to achieve the great heights. So what were the challenges in front of the Clove Dental? Clove Dental शुरू से social platforms पर था, but the problem was that कि organic traffic was very poor and the conversion rate was very poor. The posts they were posting on the various social platforms, the reach was not very good. Moreover, the likes of the page and the ad they were putting was not up to that mark. Costing of that advertisement per lead was too much for them. and there was low footfall in the clinic. And the problem was that because they were not aware of their target audience, उन्हें ये नहीं पता था कि उनकी target audience क्या है. So what was the solution Clove Dental find out for themselves? They choose the team. उन्होंने Mind Digital को अपना digital marketing partner choose किया. The team decided to rely on a full spectrum online marketing strategy. उन्होंने बहुत सारे specific channels को choose किया. They ran very successful ads and campaigns, and it helped in increasing the visibility. Clove की जो visibility थी वो लोगों के सामने आई. People become aware of the brand. Clove को brand बनाया Mind Digital ने. They employed various things, mixture of SEO, PPC, various social strategy. PPC के अंदर जो उन्होंने काम किया, the strategy was to put the right keywords, matching keywords which people were searching. Secondly, in SEO, this team did both the things, on-page optimization, off-page optimization. Both the issues were handled. Speed of the website was, loading speed was boosted up. सोशल स्ट्रैटेजी में उन्होंने बहुत सारे ऐसे प्रोग्राम्स, यूनिक कंटेंट पोस्ट किए which helped in the awareness of the people and they educated them. So the various drives which was done by the Clove Dental, like the community drives, they put various contests, they give discounts, and they the most important was that annual dental health plan, which they gave in rupees 499, and it was like a game changer for them, in which they were giving the family checkup in rupees 499. So let's get started. As the combo of Clove Dental and Mind Dental, अगर वो successful हुए तो हम लोग भी हो सकते हैं. Are you struggling to find new patients? Every practice, every doctor, they are asking the same question. Are you struggling to find new patients? If the answer is yes, then you need digital marketing to find the new patients. And if you are saying no, then also you need digital marketing to grow your practice. So here we are creating a growth plan or a roadmap. First and most crucial step is to create a strategy. For every digital marketing, we need a strategy. It should be strategic. Secondly, pick the platforms you want to be active on which social platforms you want to be active. Then settle on specific type of content. Then be community focused. Your content is the supreme. Your content should be unique, and then analysis of all your efforts. We are going to discuss all these things in detail. Now, what are the top 10 dental marketing strategies? These are the various strategies. And the strategy number 1, market your dental practice using social media. You can use various social media platforms where you want to be active, like Facebook, Insta, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Quora. You should be active on each and every platform. जो भी social platform आपको मिलता है, आपको उस हर platform पे active होना चाहिए. Instagram and Facebook are nowadays the safe bets because they are family oriented, and moreover you can target your audience. आप अपनी age group को और sex को इसके ऊपर target कर सकते हैं. Then you can have your business pages on these platforms. On Facebook, you can have your own personal page. You can have your business page of your dental clinic so that you can enhance your practice. Next, try to be consistent on these platforms. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप 15 दिन में कोई पोस्ट डाल रहे हैं और उसके बाद आप गायब हो जाते हैं. If you are posting consistently, then only your audience will feel connected with you. Brand yourself as a friendly and local dentist, and with time, people will start trusting you and your business. So grow your dental practice through the power of social media. It is very important nowadays. So you can see the various benefits. If you are available online and your reputation is fine, then it will reduce your marketing cost. You have not to pay on the ads. Your organic traffic is sufficient so as to grow your business. You can interact with your patients through these social media. You can build up a trust. A loyalty will be developed because of these social media. Higher conversion rates that will maintain the dynamic presence, and it will also improve your search engine ranking. Strategy number 2. Everybody is present on social media, but when we are talking about the doctors or the dental surgeons, nowadays people search for the doctors on these platforms, Practo, Liveaid. आजकल हिसाब में भी शुरू हो चुका है, वरना मेट्रो सिटीज में no one has time to ask anyone to go to which doctor. So people search for doctors on Practo, they book their appointment, they saw the reviews. So for a doctor or a dentist, it is must that not only on the social media, they should be active on these dental platforms like Practo, Liveaid, Healthcare, 1mg, and here you can interact with the other doctors too. And if you are asking about the corporate type of content or educational content, I would recommend you should be active on LinkedIn too. On these various platforms, there is an option of questions and answers. So you can answer the queries of the patients. You can also interact with the other doctors on these platforms, and it will increase your personal brand value and it will improve the loyalty. ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म पर आपकी लॉयल्टी इंप्रूव होती है. Now what is the strategy number 3? The most important strategy is the local SEO. For any digital marketing, local SEO is very important. Every dental practice should have a website where you can show the various services provided by you, your patient testimonials, your cases and your regular updates. अगर आपकी क्लिनिक की वेबसाइट होगी, it will be easier for your audience to search you. आपकी ऑडियंस आपको इजीली वहाँ पर सर्च कर सकती है, and you can easily do the optimization of your website through SEO. SEO is a continuous process and it should be continued on your Google website, और इससे आपकी सर्च इंजन रैंकिंग भी बढ़ेगी. So your website is your first impression. There are various benefits if you are having a website. You are 24/7 available for your patients online, और इससे हमारा कस्टमर बेस बढ़ता है, हम टारगेटेड मार्केटिंग कर सकते हैं. So your website is your first impression, and always make a good first impression. Your website should be very nice. Increase your online leads by creating a visually appealing and user-friendly website. आपकी वेबसाइट जो है देखने में ऐसी नहीं होनी चाहिए कि उससे कोई फटाफट वापस चला जाए. इट शुड बी यूजर फ्रेंडली. मेक श्योर योर वेबसाइट इज मोबाइल फ्रेंडली. आज के दिन में गूगल इज वेरी सीरियस अबाउट द मोबाइल्स, सो बिकॉज पीपल आर यूजिंग मोर एंड मोर मोबाइल्स, सो इट शुड बी मोबाइल फ्रेंडली एंड इट शुड बी लैपटॉप फ्रेंडली. GMB page, questions and answer. Your patient can ask anything about your business and you can answer that. You can promote events. For example, you are giving a discount offer, you are giving free cleaning offer. You can promote that event on your GMB page. Then online chat option is also available. Business description. GMB gives you 750 characters base. So you can describe your business briefly, that why your business is unique, what is important, so people can approach you. Then Google reviews and thanks. Nowadays we all know, before going to any doctor, we search on Google, we read the reviews. If the reviews are good, if rating is good, then only we are going to that practice. So Google reviews, and then you can thank your patient for that Google review. This are the very important factors. So every business should have a Google My Business page, whether it is dental business or any other business. Strategy number 5, YouTube marketing. Nowadays, video marketing is very common. Videos speak more than words, as we all know. So YouTube channels, this is also free. You can have your YouTube channel. You can put small videos nowadays on Instagram, Facebook, and you can post your videos of your business on YouTube. Strategy number 6 is the paid advertising. You can put the ad of your business on Facebook, on Insta, on the Google AdWords. Nowadays, इट हैज बिकम ट्रेडिशनल मार्केटिंग की तरह नहीं है कि आपने पैम्फलेट्स दिए, किसी ने पढ़ा किसी ने नहीं पढ़ा, पर पैसे खर्च हो गए। यहाँ पर ऑप्शन, बट जब कुछ भी पोस्ट करने की बात आती है, आवर ब्रेन बिकम्स empty. We don't have any content idea what we want to post on our social media platforms. So I am here giving you some content ideas related to the dental business. How you are helping the community. An inside look at the ways you are improving the patient experience. How you are helping your patients to improve the experience in their practice. You can show various features like how you can various festivals, Holi, Diwali, National Doctors Day. We have like 15th August. We can celebrate the birthday of our team, birthday of our employee, and we can showcase on our social media platforms so that your patients or your audience will feel connected. Digital marketing is only the connection. आपको connection ही बनाना है. Sometimes you can share just the fun facts. It is not necessary to every time to show the dentistry. You can share fun facts also. Share some informational content. Like here we are showing when to visit a dentist during the pregnancy. So when a pregnant woman will see this, she will feel connected to this. So in the same way, you can put various informational content on your social media platforms. Like when is the first visit of the kid to a dental surgeon, like when to visit her during pregnancy and all that. Educate your audience. Like here we are telling how much toothpaste should be applied. You can tell such little things to your audience and you can educate. Every time I am saying your content should add value to your customers. Celebrate the little things. Here you are showing the small little kids and they are happy with you. So it will boost up the morale of others too. Showcase your blogs on social media platforms. When we are saying that the content is supreme, write the blogs, write the content. Content should be unique. And if you are writing the content, writing content is important, but spreading that content is more important. So showcase your blog on social media platforms. जहाँ मौका मिले वहाँ लिंक लगा दो. Show your cases of the day. When you are showing something live, it will add loyalty and moreover it will give you a content too. Show the patient success stories. This is a very nice idea where you are showing the pictures of a patient before the treatment and after the treatment. Show the services provided by you. Sometimes put a clear advertisement of your clinic or your practice where you are telling the people that what services you are giving, and in this way you can showcase your practice. Then show the video testimonials to your patient. It is a very nice content idea where you are showing the video testimonials of your patient and then you can tag that patient and
मैं संतोष दलाल डॉक्टर रिंकू मित्तल के क्लिनिक से बोल रही हूँ। मैंने इनसे अपना ट्रीटमेंट कराया है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा मैं संतुष्ट हूँ क्योंकि न कोई पेन होती है न कोई प्रॉब्लम है, बिल्कुल से।
So it will improve your brand value too. Show various methods of sterilization. It's an era where everybody is like concerned about the control of infection. So you can show what are the various methods of sterilization you are using in your clinic. In this way you are showing the people that they can believe on you. You are using the good methods of sterilization. Show the camps done by you and try to go live. If you have done any social camp like in any school, in any old age home or any other thing, you can show that camp on the social media platforms. You can go live also so that people will feel interacted and connected with you. Engage your audience by asking them to tag someone. For example, if you are doing any contest or anything, you can ask your customers or your audience to tag you with someone. It will improve the reach on your social platforms. Ask your patients to leave a review for you. It is not only a content idea, it will improve the face of your social platforms. when the people will leave review for you, it will add your brand value. Sometimes just motivational quotes, just for fun. This is also a very nice content idea. You can make your audience to laugh. Tips of the day, like you can post such things also where you can give further tips. It is applicable to any business. Such tips are there for any business. Here we are particularly talking about the dental business. Celebrate the national victories, moment marketing. For example, here Neeraj Chopra won the Olympic medal, and here we are celebrating the national victories. Moment marketing means such kind of post always got the maximum reach. लोग सबसे ज़्यादा वही देखते हैं जो आज की तारीख में सबसे ज़्यादा चल रहा है. On that day, people were searching that post only. So always be attentive, and we can do moment marketing. Enjoy along with nation. When India won hockey after 41 years, everybody was looking at that. Post a video tour of your clinic. You can put small videos on the various social platforms, like a video tour, like a small treatment, like a testimonial. So you can put a video tour also. So nutshell, I can say that show yourself on every platform. If you hire a digital marketing agency, they will take care of your online stuff and you can focus on your dentistry. So it is wishing good luck to all those who are including digital marketing in their businesses. Here I am telling the mantra, increase the online visibility of your practice. The only mantra for the digital marketing is you should be present online everywhere. It will increase your reputation, it will increase your credibility. That's all. I hope you people have enjoyed it. Yes.